and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Local Taxi Association seeks lift on Negrim's parking ban. Former Garo militant arrested with unlicensed firearm in East Garo Hills. Meghalaya hosts inaugural national motorsports event at Umroi. And MDC elections heat up in Soyong Nongspung as multiple candidates emerge. And now the news in detail. The management of Negrim's Hospital has imposed a ban on local taxis parking near the hospital to drop off passengers or patients. In response, the East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association leaders met with the hospital authorities requesting the ban to be lifted. They highlighted that local taxis often serve as ambulances, transporting patients to and from the hospital. However, the hospital management did not make an immediate decision on the matter. A follow-up meeting has been scheduled for this month, 5th, to discuss the issue further. The association continues to advocate for better access for taxis, particularly for patients needing transport after hospital visits.
Iya pada kumki commercial vehicle. Di nangta pada ground sakawai susu apa ngi ok ji ujor no padba habi dei bat men hakane ka kini kinjak singi lo nek ta kalong men haka arpui trik ha ka ba dan ki padba ki bamut kilani ki try kali ki bakwa kali siu khajna joki yang ke office video te nang liang ka office video ka khang te ka jing khang ni yang mak num ta singi kan khang nga pada na pernah ba yo se ki acuti nang ba ka Meghalaya de te ndrei em orang nilai awak jentip kamdei kumta andai kedai nak kata bagi ingat training nak kumta election staff kudan report itu tinggi syukur pak jadi si lakuno kuno ba kan pelaj no ek tigi staff kudan nang thi namar ba kai ka pelong ini ki try nong bu kali roi kalong ba ngihi kum kinong ya kali teng lada feel tang iwi ko taksi singi hap se ko fan ko basi hoja telada manta lada kajing pengat election kajong ka election commission ni nak liang ka district magistrate ya kibreu berang dia ko itu ya kata ngim khang ndai kedem exam pat iki ya penalty ke exam ni penalty ya kata ngim soy ndai lada menong ba ka penalty pinang ya be sakmat te ngiru jawab ba ka diban play be ka ka office berang dia ko itu namar ba pimla mantep mentala da feel tang permit sisni hoja feel ba fitness sisni sanpo tang ka sisni tatum kita ki tapi ka pawara jing sosi ka bakrau namar balada kumalong men hakade arpui trik bagi khang kidon kitra kali ba ki kapot jongki kelakut men hak arpui trik Januari arja rapsan te kimut balik siu ka khang te kila li siu next day ki hap siu ka ba ka fine te kata kadi kejibut ti ba yang ngi ong ba sobha penyerap lam habiri une kam te nak yang kejongi hiru ngi kram da songklik ti bang ila da kram nak pok isi mo ngi ong bang ide men sim khia yang ni kanta te kumba kajulong hina koi kapor sa koi pat kalong ba ngim tuklar ya kam office Nrei ngi itu kelar bet ya ka ek ba pikta ya ka pisano pa ba namar bangi ngi te taxpayer ngi siu direct taxes government kabo pa ba nong song kali jongi hangi pada usi indirect taxes ta ken kanum ta than yenu ru tenrei lada kalong kumni pada lada katu ko office ka khang kani katai tang ngi tingi ong bet ngim persa ya ta jingat election duty jongi nrei exam ik tax exam ngane exam what ik penalty kata hi gede kejing tawa jeni bar khadu pada kolong ba nakaliang jongi hi kumbangi osno ye Khubor ha ka ba nakaliang ka police department ngin selia gini kejing tho ba kinang tang men check tang ye ki local taxi balikin check lang ye ki we pat ki kali ngingi tip sai ba ki kali private ki bun bombyang pat byang sla ngingi tip sai wa ki ar sakaro ki bombyang chu ikot ki sla tenre ha ba kot pa manta ki yong ba ngin check be tangi local taxi da ka ba kila issue itu stickers katu kejing issue jong ki stickers ru kalong ba ngamtip katu ka pisa kali seno kawan seno namar ba menta pinong ba nalor la biang ki kot kisla hapsim itu stickers pos hapsius ka pisa po SP office without any cash receipt mo tengimtip katu ka pisa kali sa head of account jongno lani kali kumno ya kata ngakwa ya ki kinong Khubor kili na kaliang kulit bar ngakwa hiru lada biang kumta kili lang ni kipat ba ki ba sim itu sticker ba hatu nakaliang ka police department ka bla isu napo ka office jongki nakagiang ka jongki kita yak pisa dong padba hapo kamrat rekam kejongki bali pat kimaya kasih pi kata kade kejingkeli tementa nang ni sakmaru nakliang kejongi hi ngiong be ikitra kali bak itu ke balale sem ngim sowi ye hinte ye kitu ke bamli sem nali sem ngin siapet ladadan mano babat ngirungin mi kum keseng kabar ba kolong ba lada ki biang ikot kisna nak yang jungim kasangin ya sakmat da kijingi ki lada ki try kali ki feel ikot ki feel pada ikot kisna ngingim lak ban bakle hawi de kata kin hapsiwi ka fain lada ki feel ikot kisna jo ndai mata lada ki biang ikot kisna in which ground makin fine kinang tambah kam dan tak stiker ndai lada mata lada sakit nap lane jia kanu no jing jia ka sosi haboko di pajak unpai nomor dan stiker ni unpai nomor plate ni ndai kejuk ba mentaro kade kejuk ke balak thamai balak size ba balak kiu ha hawi de teknologi mentah wadangi perang nya kali ru ngicak lembang mobile aktif te kanu kali pembiangkor kanu kali pembiangkor ndai mentah pada wana kali yang polis department ru kana ayu ki bakin cek online bete ndan tame bandale ek ki old technology jongki mo katu ka benta ka jongki gorem mencuah.
Former Garo militant Meghalaya K. Marak, 44 years, was arrested on Sunday in possession of an unlicensed 7.65 mm Chinese-made pistol. Marak has been a member of the Achek National Volunteers Council before surrendering in 2015. The arrest occurred during a special police operation based on intelligence about illegal arms in the region. This marks the second significant weapons seizure in the district within a week, following the discovery of AK ammunition and mortar shells suspected to belong to the Garo National Liberation Army. Police are continuing their investigation into the matter. The Meghalaya Motorsports Society, in collaboration with Mumbai's grassroots Motorsports Access, successfully hosted its first national motorsports event at Umroi, marking the introduction of dirt racing in the state. The event attracted over 100 participants from various categories, providing new opportunities for local enthusiasts. Colonel Z. Notial of the Umroi military station attended as a special guest on the final day. Phoebe Dalinongrum, chairperson of the Meghalaya Motorsports Society, emphasized the event's goal of giving young Shillong drivers a platform to compete nationally. Motorsports legend Sanam Singh, also known as the Drift King of India, acknowledged the region's driving talent, while Easter Karakongor, president of the society, supported the event's success.
Check. Hello. Hello.
Kini ke event kini naman ta kita kena kita barit nadu each group kat south slam kat sun slam nomor ba ngindale race kuni hapo racing ilayo license dang kloy banyak surok te hoi kampat long tang ba yangi pade banlek kai kuni hapo ka jaka ka babiang ka balakhang ka bala shnabha banum banum dan ke jing accident ke jing maham iki brio so ni wan rak na kan ke sports kenang ba kin yo ban participate kin yo ban simpat ha sim bentah ha ni ke jaka ke balong kum ni balong safe bakin dapat her kali kat baki penheru kam ni lay yaki ti ke jing wan rak kan coba ni ke sports ni ke di namanta bangin wat iki driver ki badang kena bangin yo ban you iki shipman bangin yo ban train iki bangin kai iki ba kinwan panlekai hapo ka national platform akan makin compete but kawi ru ka jaka kawi ka jaka hani hapo di India. ti hakani jungi menta kasi ti la don kumba shispa tam kila don categories tingi don kumba handriu tu nyau categories tama ki bawan lek kai kila bun ma shispa tam ni la don jing lek kai na du menin kasngi sedang menin tingi ikut menta kasngi ti ki bon lek kai kila bun ti kastunat baha baki wan mi khmat kumne namar yangi ru kasuk bangin pej manu ki driver ki babyang ki betebet bangila banyarap iki bangin penpoi shu iki shakmat bakin yo ban represent bakin bakin lech pak bakin lech khmat bakin bakin represent bakin kumta wan rakus nami ke rijongi te menta di tang manga basit lek ka shabar mangaru ngatri dudut hina lajong hi nga lek kai be kat bangayo kilat kelinti ngashimit kilat kelinti boro ngalik lek kai shabar te menta pada bangalayo ban kiwi lajong shakmat ngakwa bangan yarap ikin kiwe jongi kina kibudan shine bakin la ban kiu lang kumanga kiu manga makam de ke besuk ban kiu shakmat hakani ka sport nomor ba kade ke jing lek kai ka baram ndrei daki don pada ka sap tingiru ngila ban yarap iki kat ke binila ban yarap te long tang katai pa ban ong iki kena kiba melien mania penher kali surok ai kumto kamlong ka ka balong sif mentangi la bun kali ngila bun brio ki brio kila ai kali lut kalong ka jingma ki weiru lada fim bakla ma phi kila ban bakla ki wei tingim jula ban tip ikata te kum kani ka cakangi ki wan ra khnang kamadan kum ni bakin wan te da fikwa kum kani kamadan filipan shimentalang bapin lek kai nya kini ki jing lek kai te hang ta pingin sapet manu babit manu batbit ban manu bam tibit tama hasurok singlinti singkinti ban ong ban yale kai ti kalong ka pama namar ka warra.
The campaign for the upcoming MDC elections in Soyong Nongspung is gaining momentum as several candidates from different parties emerge. Sinshar Lingdo Thaba is set to contest against his cousin Nathan Rambai, who is representing the Congress party. Other prominent candidates include Ba Samlin Malngyang, a former MLA, who will contest under the NPP banner. He faces competition from two candidates from the family of Ba H. Donkupar Roylingdo and a candidate from the VPP. The election promises to be a fierce contest with several contenders vying for the position, each representing different political interests in the region.
Bari konsep babun anak pun klan susu gian bari kum ke isi menengalakan sepang tu grassroots governance tang dah kerteng ru kelas tunat perat in ibor ai dor bar snong start from scratch mo tangin ai ka bor ai du sa council ai dor bar snong ba makihi kin pet khambha ku be dei ba snong bat ki sara pres podus council kumta tepper
So yung iiba, yung perlu diihatari election di sini. Dan may ang keputusan konsep walang election naman yun.
So yung de latib hi warobor kalau kumta hi rei mentang hi it is the love and faith of the people yang yeng baje ke party ta kum lai hi in the election emali ladap bagi pai ba kum bolong hi imla ban thi ju pai ba da kapisa rei ngithie ju pai ba da ka jingit MLA NMDC pai so yung tika song shed bikum ju ki pai ba sin nglarai nglar bra tanganget ni election in long bikum ta da ka jingit ngile chu pai ba wan persutu MLA NMDC in yet system bat ngaru da ka mesim ngo surit ngapan ke jikersan nik pai ba bikin ai lang ta ka jikersan nam ta ka dikin bisi
Election di bilang tu
em nga nganum jer irono party nga burom dut ikini political parties nganum keren is pangnono party manong irono henry ngit keren be ya ka party kepada jong ke United Democratic Party. Thank you. No apa ni kombong nadu basdang hi kani vladep bede bat ke dis council ex MDC kitrai kumno henry menta ka jingwan de pai ba ke ayang mandate nakwa hi bangan lum ngan lang ban pen bha susu mo with taka jemut perkhat jonga mo jing sempang ga jonga nakwa hi ban pen wan dot susu ba kanono kam bangale kabadai apo shnong ne badai apo kahima nginle bat sinshar ya kanono kam ban ai kanu karai habashit habashai ba kinhun bangaru nganhun kemesim bangale cupai ba mo ko mga pan jika shan bat la shan ng la job ro kumtang hinga kwa pantrai ya kan kam habashir habashai man kran yang ni belada ngi bakla KEC jong bayelam hi dari parti UDP ngaso ka biang pada hatu Khubor manong man kran than yang bade ka parti UDP kai nadu president nadu ki nangkit kam jong ka parti bade po state la partai kambnya kare ka jingkwa ka jonga tanga nglawan nang tu syakmat then only I will give my best for Kari Kajat Benrio Kumutau MDC. Thank you, Ma.
The Additional General Secretary presided over a significant conference attended by leaders from the Central Executive Committee, CEC, and various zonal, regional and unit representatives. The former CEM of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Sir P.K. Sangma, served as a chief guest, emphasizing the ongoing struggle for a separate Garo land. Keynote speakers including Sir P.K. Sangma, Te Balkarin C.H. Marak and Medicine B. Marak stressed the importance of unity, integrity and fighting corruption in the movement. P.K. Sangma urged the younger generation to work alongside the elderly to strengthen the cause, while other leaders highlighted the community's challenges and reaffirmed their commitment to achieving their goals, citing historical struggles for autonomy. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until you meet again, thank you for watching.